Hey guys, this is Dr. T here, and I'm here with Logan. I'm in here with Mai. This is Logan's mom. And Logan has been coming to us for about 3 months now, and he has a scoliosis, he has a hyperkyphosis, and he actually has deals with autism too, correct?
Yes, correct.
And so what I thought would be good is for mom to give a testimonial for the changes that she's noticed in Logan since he's been wearing the brace. What have you noticed since he's been coming?
He's showing emotion, which he didn't really do before. So he's showing like sadness, tears, just more in tune with his emotions. I've noticed he's able to do like a spelling app on my phone, which he was never able to do before. He's able to do it without any supervision, which is really good. And also he's talking more and more sentences. And the other day he told his teacher he did not like his lunch. He did not like where he was living, and he wanted to be with his mom, and he was feeling pain. So that was a lot of information, which I was like, wow, he told you all that. So he's just more verbal now.
So communication's definitely improved, but we also looked at pictures that mom has taken with him before he came back in May and now from behind. And what did you notice when you took those pictures?
That the spine was a C shape in the beginning, and now it's more like a squiggly eye.
Yeah,
L,
so basically he's starting to stand up. Now the brace is a 3-dimensional corrected brace, and what's big for this is Logan actually has a very big scoliosis with a lot of rib cage translation. But this is a really good case to talk about because Logan can put this brace on and it works just when he wears the brace. But when you have an autistic kid being able to express himself more, communicate, and start coming out of a shell, that's a huge thing, correct?
Yes,
As a mom, to be able to see her kid come out. So it's a great thing that, remember the nervous system runs everything in the body. And when your spine is misshapen like that, it affects communication throughout the body. So straighten out the spine, pain gets better, spine gets better. But when you're helping someone with autism be able to talk more, express more, communicate, talk to his mama, it's really a game changer.
More awareness. He's become more aware.
So do you have anything else to add? Like anything else that stands out to you since he's been in the brace?
Smiley face. No, just the difference in the spine, because I've tried the clear scoliosis before several times, where you do like a whole week's work where it's very intense, and you do 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon. And so that's like 10 sessions a week and very expensive, and you see some results, but the results never stay. Like this, I'm noticing like he hasn't been in the brace for a week, and the results are still there. Like he hasn't gone back.
Right.
It's still like where it is, like it hasn't reverted. So I've noticed a big difference there, and I don't think that we've ever gotten this much traction, before with the spine. So right. I'm excited to see the new Xrays.
Yeah, we just took Xrays today out of his brace. And again, when you wear a ScoliBrace, it is the most advanced corrective scoliosis brace on the market, but it's like an Invisalign for your spine. So it actually is changing it, then you take it off and you begin holding those positions. So now, since we've got new Xrays, we'll measure. I'll make new changes and adaptations to his brace based off his new Xrays. So not only is it customized when we get it, we're going to further customize it as he changes and progresses in his correction. Logan, you got anything to say?
Do you like your brace?
Yeah.
Good.